So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So we have the Lion Man and Ivany kick off my people over the #1 spot in Jamaica, because Ivany must come over the Jamaica ranking and the Lion Man wall up the line when it come to the #1. You see me I say? So the two of them kick off. I'm gonna share that with the owner. We also have Tik Tok, she and Dan link up, and they look like say some falling out go on in the group chat, my people. So I'm gonna make you hear that. You see it, cause remember Tik Tok she did say she in a hospital, reason why she never answer some of the things them what the people them say about her and Ray. Zine, cause you know say she read out the whole of her file, every single thing, name, how old she is, family members, all different type of things. You see it. So we're gonna share that with you. See, with you guys. Also blinga discuss Tik Tok law with our panel, and we're gonna make you hear what the people them have to say. See, and me not lie my people, me never know say Bella and Bling a friend, because when Bling and RT tear away, Bella dey on RT side and did a done Bling every minute, every hour, every second. Seeing me frightened to see Blinga and Bella on live. You know me don't follow Blinga that much still, so me don't know how long them a deal now. Maybe a long time still, cause I believe me did see them one time, but me don't remember. But it surprised me still. Seeing, although not too surprised me on Tik Tok, I know say yo, enough of these people just cuss one another for cussing and get views. You see me? Also, Mooney and all my people, Blinga asked him about, you know what I mean, pictures of the Lion Man and some other things, and him come clean my people. I think she asked him about the vybz situation. So I don't remember the exact thing, but that's something kinda we're in the media space right now, and people are looking for answers and him answered. So we're gonna get in that, and maybe we add more things to it, but for now these are the things I have to share with you know. So make we get in it.
And you call him and some sick where you tell him it's real and he this and that, that's why they avoid you. Right. And a liar me end up come over here. So he thinks me tell him so he depend on blood clot campaign for me name. But some camera that's so good.
Me and Terry never talk.
Me never call him right through. Me blood clot name. You
never go on over there, me and Tik Tok see him here.
I want me to tea. You come about me call your name. Me never take blood clot. Don't tell a lie for me. So good boy. You go talk about a logo thing. Make me one of them always logo me have up a blood clot logo and stand firm say no selling me.
Alright, let me say what me do is people them over here so good that everybody just jump down and then still
Mother make carry talk. Mother make carry talk.
So they're afraid of you. You remember when the match, when you had him so much things, something with the organizer and your group, you had him to do something on Tik Tok, man, group or something there. Nobody never ever play a come, because them say they can't, my people kick up. They say, oh, you talk about
your birthday match, your birthday match.
Your birthday with whatever with him?
Yeah, your birthday match.
So my people then vex with him and say, we speak bad about the woman. Oh, you're not, because they didn't know you didn't talk. You know what I mean?
Always attack.
He calls them all the time, Kerry. He live panda on phone.
Dan, you see when the people they
have a problem yet. Then him never vex up till today.
Dan, they not listen. You see, blood clot there when they talk on the live say you didn't talk. And such people say, oh the fuck? Tia wicked come out from a blood clot named drunk crow.
Me say, I saw them and people just switch.
Yep.
People them not no me not about
me not carry news, me can't use me mix up, me make you know. I'm saying my blood clot here, I'm saying
that's why I come out now a campaign. That's why I come out now a campaign for you.
You know, so me don't know, me can't tell you exactly which part tea come from or whatever. Me don't know enough.
Tea say it, I'm if you want to Spanish down. All me I tell you, somebody were telling me.
Never say me never see tea here, say me don't know what tea look like.
Down there, say your tea blood. I
Me never swear to you, but
Yeah, we have in picture. We have in picture. I don't call them Italy. I know what they care about it. We have in picture. We have in picture. Look how long it
People
is.
don't take it. You don't know nothing about me, tea. And me I never talk in a TikTok or to TikTok. You gotta tell but the people them say, come off, why you live on Kerry? So Kerry not do you nothing.
Say we are ready. Never, ever tell one another say we are ready. Never, ever. Never.
Suck tea. You gotta talk. And you gotta say they are New York when you done with me liar and blood clot.
I tell a lie. Me never know say people can
bring it on down. That's why when you wonder you say some big woman. You know,
yeah, when big woman,
people them say in fear and lies.
Me don't know what me do. Me don't have a
tell the people them. Suck out tea. Tell the people them say the things that when you tell him in fearfully blood clot like think about it. Everybody avoid you like big people. They going to support you down. Oh yeah.
Terry, another form of emotional scamming. I big man the money you want to go to them pack.
And that thing do.
Why me tell you, boy, me not tell a lie. Me never people so wicked but
really get campaign against so when we hear it in them and when it hear say Jesus Christ, but you a couple people in tell but a two different somebody say to me. And this one coming know this from fucking last year and I never even utter it even when they come over your life.
Me know say people can't believe but not so.
The bin I went down this the first time people know say you and him talk is when you say it for your life to me and they've shame. They couldn't believe and they make you know not to talk to you because they're afraid. They give them a connect blood clot story. He said people don't know who Dan is and the things them with Jesus you convince them. So people them say they don't rate a woman who believe in them lifestyle, setting up people life and this and that and I don't blame them. Them avoid you if you understand that they avoid you because the drunk.
Listen this. Although me and that germs they are no friend. She can't tell us that me is not that person.
No, you know, listen, me I tell you what it use. You see when it logo down and two people and they get close and they have the number, he use the cussing with you and her for your opportunity. I said you come from and if you walk through Spanish Town and he friend and your people don't know who she really be. That's why some people go over in box and never leave. The one them will have the money and them and them close.
That time me not have a clue.
Fucking right, tell you for me blood clot you but the guy carry on a liar right and me been tell me never talk to liar for a phone but I don't even know liar number. Me never say nothing go give liar yet. Me never say nothing go give
You see all them portray the story. You see all them portray the story.
And nobody can see
them want go click their live. And we not agree with it, we bex over it, we don't want them to go start off. One time me not have a clue say the people them a plan behind me.
I don't know the girl carry on a wicked. All my husband in I love you, my husband I said, but yeah, this nigga used to be cool. What's happening? I said no, because I never meet him no real, I never talk to him on phone. Nobody when me never talk to on phone. WhatsApp or evil, inbox certainty. I'm just saying the least inbox. Can't blood clot bring me down. You don't know nothing about me. Nothing, no girl never put me up, me never wear girl clothes. Me never go on my bed, blood clot over yet.
Like a real problem on TikTok. And the girl.
People, some noise in the background. You see me I say, it won't stop still, but you know what I mean, the show must go on, so me I continue do my thing. So watch out, who this T person you know? Why, my people, you see TikTok is a place where it look like say, the only thing is toxicity. You see what I say? Because every minute you hear about a new person we're in some kind of contention with a TikToker. Seeing? So this T person you know where I say where I say about Dana or something. And how it all started. Guys, I first me I hear that name and still know people. So if you can enlighten me in the comment section, do that until me find out what really, you know what I mean, who is this person and thing.
In New York, and you have a big blood clot house in Jamaica, go suck your mother teeth. What you know about me?
Look at them, I say.
You walk and bring down your blood clot woman and lift from me name, stop calling me
never check the she until when she say one day say she gonna make me lose my job. And me say, if you make me lose my job, you can't sell a town. You can't blood clot sell a town if me lose my job. It two we not have no job.
So what if people think so enough people really left over here because a liar? Think about it now, Dan. Come me hear it a couple times. Me hear it a couple times. I say some people just you don't know who you do them. But you hear to them happy as a gang. You don't know.
You see all Pash? Me still a wonder up to today. Me I say, but Pash when Pash used to come over here, Pash used to say,
no, Pash not that. No, and up down. Pash a liar. Pash I own somebody else liar. Liar now must catch up. Liar make Pash no come back.
Oh, she did gone.
Jam Ghana, somebody will like me, I say, and he said him, the big man one where used to come over here all the while.
Pam, lovely Pam. Lovely Pam. Where you still living in your back and no one come out? Me I say, women like me I say, oh them the big man they just switch so like their mind just turn like their head turn like the Muslim one. And them say I'm me to you.
Oh, I never blood clot out of it. You sit down for me blood clot name I be one performer for me tea. Why you fuck you do that? You convince everybody that convince.
Yes, you over here good one night time. Okay. And like me I say everybody just dry up. But me can't know like me I say so T decide to make logo and them just gone on one side just so blue start money like
if you can remember Dan, if you can remember after the logo they came back Dan,
it's still like you know put me just say
after the logo they came back. Remember after that the argument at that time the problem go suck him mama come off from me name later Dan. I never tell you I mean never tell you private public me I tell you lift up off from me name suck out you don't know nothing about me. I never beg you yet.
Notice thing click back in live. All you need to block me and unblock me.
And I bring down people.
Alright, me frightened the day enough. Me frightened the day when me go say me and him talk on phone all the while and the people then get mad to blood.
Alright, thank you.
Get mad.
Still not take if you not know. Me still not take if you not know.
Because people are mad because of what he was saying about you.
Make you think, okay. Make you think Love Birdie crazy. Make you think the girl, you think the girl a mad girl when they love you so much. And you're alive by first girl live the girl ever come on. And not just like she be comfortable and bring her story as to you and live like her so.
All the girl like evil. That girl with the over here night so she have big banks.
I Stacy that. Yes, that was Stacy.
So a Stacy a girl where she have big banks did kick her.
Yes, a Stacy.
Me never see back them the people they hear to the platform and they wonder where they
come off.
Me not even know say she a Stacy. Me never see back them people me just know say they
bang with him. Suck your mother suck with tea.
And me no do nothing. Me and T always attack on phone. And me never have a misunderstanding or nothing at all. It a coming like with the same thing now when me know say him and liar in a problem. So that can't stop me and him from talk same way.
But I never me and him and you and him. Hold on there. I am always the scapegoat. That time I you in my plot against. I am always the scapegoat and you never realize. I am always the scapegoat, but you see you always have to have things in your
speech. We can't find no words to that one.
You always have to have things in your face to see when time people are trying.
Just me that it have to come, it have to hit me first. Like me have to see it and say yes, it's real for true. I just hard believing.
Yes, so because yes, so we always make you just do whatever you do.
Me tell you say when me like people, me not just let them just
who they tell you about this? Who they call you?
Something bad and then now me decide my brain move on and say yes.
Every day and T call you and tell you every damn thing. Everything.
T talk about all kind of things.
I always say TikTok and me and T did a talk on the phone and I've never said to you, mother way I never said to you. Because me always tell you say the truth always rise to the top like cream.
Listen to this. Let me tell something to you. You see night when alright, me see somebody comment on my page. In the same hoodie there. Me never know say a T, you know.
You never know say a female.
Listen now, if somebody comment about Big B and somebody another and me bypass it. But then now when somebody come up, when somebody come over here and say them over something another live, come here one new name and when me go up on the live and me say that boy there is a platform in my look from what day me see my comment.
He changing name and come back.
Me see my comment on my page. That time me no know say a tear blood clot.
I hear me changing name. Me never know say I neither.
Me never know say that's why when time them a say to me say go over the live there when me see somebody in hoodie now me say that boy there for there me see my comment on my page. Me never know say I'm a blood clot.
Yeah, because me never know because me thinking black me. I one time I scroll up on my FYP page and me hearing voice. Say me right to him on another page there. Then me not thinking black me.
94 last night me know say I'm 3 nights ago. When said night when they say me fi go up on that live and when me look, me say that boy I look at some attention him a look man. Cause me see my comment pam.
And you know from when he picture coming
in marriage, in there when me put up a marriage picture, in wedding sitting, but married man. So me never know say.
Alright, my people, me tell you something. Watching Dan live, Dan is a cool person. See, you know, making people voice them opinion. You know what I mean? And Dan no cow down people. Me never see a cow down people and a push nothing down nobody throat and them something there. So, me say that to say this. Say, these people were maybe in a things with Dan in a way and left our live and no come back on it and re. Me feel like say it's a third party, like somebody else are the reason why them not go back on Dan live, because everybody will go over there. See, it's like them want a position. This a woman a TikTok la. Yeah, right. Our next girl over there must say, what's she name? I don't remember what she name, but she soft. Her voice find a way. I don't know if she there on the live right now. See, yeah, them have them opinion more while and them strong on them opinion more while. You see me? So, me say that for just say, sometime you have to like move away from some people if you want to grow, because if you stay around them you're not gonna grow, because them are gonna hold you down. Me I tell you that blouse and skirt. See, so we are gonna watch some more my people and hear what them a say.
You know from when they send in picture in the group and nobody no look because we said I not keep. We not care how he look. Exactly, because it was never relevant. You see, one time the whole bring down happened, you know who used to send me all of the screen recording? Dirty Sunshine. As she used to go up on a live at night time, go stone a screen record and say this is what them a talk about you over there say. As she used to send me all of the screen recording them.
Me not understand them people here.
So you walk around and set up people life now, do you there?
That's what me I think about, because like me I say, but me and no man where they on TikTok never have a problem or nothing. Me just then talk just with us normal. Number one, any man where you hear me talk about and me see people them on TikTok and trouble them and none of them. And when World Doggy answer me, I put a tune on them blood clot and then come over here context in my comment and say keep doing what I say, oh my boy that. And I never pass back a remarks again from that because I say, Lord God, watch I hear.
Alright, even with the World Dog situation.
Yeah, I say nothing more about him again. You know when last one you hear me cuss him and me not do them sitting there.
Even if I say World Dog talk about in the group. He was the World Dog, he was Tikky them a talk about, but the people them care is Tikky them a talk about. When Tikky have the problem and come across border sitting, I Tikky them a chat about. And I say a World Dog.
Okay. I know, but as me say, boy, this I wanna puzzle me. I can't say a word about it. Me think me auntie good. Alright, you know say it come like, hey, me I tell you to blood clot Satan strong, you know. You know say today me go in a box and me hear when time Pash said to him say, me have one question for ask. Why Dan I take up for TikTok liar? I mean, no, say tease to me in the chat and I say, me don't want to add me in the box, so me gone. And me just gone. Just like that now, me say, me don't want to go put me up in the box, and me just gone. That time, me don't know all them are sitting there.
In a long time, this happened from last year, from your birthday time. And they say everybody disappear.
And then we good, right through, we good. We don't have no problem, we never have no problem.
Yeah, so you have to be careful.
Right. Look for even Nurse Brown. Remember say me and Nurse Brown he have a little affliction, one little baby affliction.
But we know where him come about, so we know how
where him come about already and whatever. Me and Nurse Brown good in coming and chat said we with him. Then text
him show you
and whatever and that's it, not no more.
That's the thing.
Feelings, I don't know that nobody are not like that.
That's the thing with Nurse Brown, we can't say about him. As much as all he having ways in keep it on TikTok.
Yeah, we not going at that or not them the sitting there. We just we are do on TikTok and call it a day.
Exactly. In keep it on TikTok. Me can't believe I really do that to you though.
Why me not tell a lie? Me
know say wicked, but me never know say at them the levels of wickedness there in really that.
Yeah. Me not hear from the big come like me still not hear from the big woman them to blood clot. Like hear from them to say yes, them they hear that for true.
No,
like,
Claudine just say I chat say. Claudine say in I chat say yes she did hear too. Claudine just type in I chat.
Yeah?
Claudine just type in I chat say she did hear too.
Me can't answer to that. Me can't. Boy, me still have to hear, like, me want to hear from one I big woman them to say, Dan, and that's why we just stop come over here. So me can't blame them. Because me still I wonder what me do. What are we over here every day, and just one day separation, so blocks one day. Nobody, every day, everybody over here, one day,
how she carry reach? It's everybody reach now, so them reach.
Dan, me not tell lie from people.
Them reach, everybody reach. Betty hold on, make them talk. Betty hold on, see the people them come when it gone with it. All of them when it gone with him come.
Yeah.
No.
Well, me never really gone with him. Listen, me never really gone with him. But what Kerry said, that's facts. And
yeah, we hear them say, when me hear Dan say she and him talk every day, me say about something right. One time,
one at a time. I mean, guess what, Kerry? The girl named Kerry in her box, I don't follow Kerry on TikTok, Kerry don't follow me. And
no, we don't follow.
I want this up in her box. Come here, no Kerry by foota, let me hear.
Me go over there and make sure Mr. Blue Money gone, me ear too. But then when Dan say, she and him talk every day, me say, but wait. And to, at one point, me I say, you remember the time when I said about so much people get blocked from your group? Me didn't think I him, you know. But then when you come back and say you want never chat every day, me I say, but wait. This not add up until him start turn for each one of over there, me cuss him out and leave.
Thank you.
But me did.
We never ever tell one another so we are ready. Up to
even
one time after the Alabalu, even after that you did add him back to your box. I'm watch when you add him back to your box. I'm say, boy, look like Dan and where she does a play.
You don't know. Dan never know.
No, me and him never talk about
me know that with money. You have about that. No, not about me.
Yep.
You ever chat up and
me hear it couple times.
Yes, I
hear it couple times.
It's like me have to hear from other people like you said, like me can't believe one thing I'm afraid like this.
I never talk yet.
But then the reason why I go over there because me didn't want to see what him up to. As much as I'm in the box, me I say, but wait, him come over here, I'm starting platform. Dan said them talk together. Alright, I want to see where this are going to. Me never did switch from over here. Me did still come back over here. Me just didn't want to see where this is going because them did have some good conversation about immigration and all of them something there. Until me see him start get sneaky and I do things over there. And me call him out a couple times and him turn the whole of them pan me too.
Tisha, I don't go why is this one with Tisha never gone away cause when I time like yes when them people like you see all him Milo mother and me say me and Milo mother never come. Me not disrespect me. They say all Milo mother like me never do that. If man come like he turn Milo mother against me, me not like me I say me not rude to big people like me I say when me could have do that woman like me I say
down the man listen the man further you block it. If further you not the man say no we don't people block it.
Every time somehow me you see me the first one for call you. You know see?
Yeah.
When you see the I'm over theme live. Now you are the first one to reach you and then you come over there and talk. Remember? You remember? Why you are the first one. I not even involve you. And I first call you. One time the dairy product say, oh, you and her are a good friend, but you're not even tell her, text her and say happy birthday. You're not even send a blue money gun, no nothing. everybody did ask a question. Now when I ask him face to face, in turn for me. Cause remember, so on your birthday, never even say nothing or give you nothing that day. Remember good. Yeah, man. And then you came and come around and say, Miss Only please make a come around and say, you're still a friend, Mr. Blow.
Yeah. You don't know who done me. You see when they call him out from the friend party, say I keep friendship.
Alright, my people. You see, some of them people that want to sip on TikTok, and the real them who not sip on TikTok, you know. You see what I say? And remember one time Cheese when RT Boss and Dan did inner things. Cheese did come and tell RT Boss, say, yo, do not mess with Dan, you know. Cause Dan think tough. You see what I say? Dan is a person who you have to play with cause she can make things happen. So me don't know if I rub that the man they rub Dan the wrong way and find out the type of person Dan is. Cause Dan is from the streets, you know. You see me I say? So on a level me now go put certain things past her because me hear she make some talk more wild, but you see if you're not in a nothing are the calmest person ever. You see me? So them say like if you ask some people things about me and them give you different stories, believe them because however a man deal with me that the side that him get. So let me know what you think me people. I watch some more.
With your car, you're not furious and you have to go in a punch. So alright.
Yep. And in turn the whole of them family. I'm black me.
They see blood clot them. Black blood clot.
Anyway, that is somebody when me and them in a war. Because them that say no sir, as straight as they say right now, them that say no go so.
This liar, evil liar, wickedest thing. You never want campaign that girl.
Yeah, I'm always talk about liar too. But true me, when them talk about
my fear man, very. I saw me custom. I said fear man, you're more mixed up than anybody else over here. I dress everywhere when I come here.
Over here every night. She used over here every night. Me and tea, we night box at night time. We over here till we decide say them say them a go farm the round table talk and everything nice and everything good and the people them are telling about the vice and everything. And all of a sudden we just say bloops. But me are the center of attraction because them are give people the impression that me are the bad person. Like me I say, when me do people man they come here say, me no say nothing, me no pass no remarks, me no alright. If me and T talk 25 times, a T call me 24 times, cause me no call people. The talk I can tell us me no call.
Try remember every time
Mother, okay, Mother. Tell them who call you and tell the cheese they are Florida with CSD. Who tell you that?
Try remember.
Blood clot mix up.
Who they call you and tell you that?
I me call me and tell me.
And he call and chat all jam gun and the whole of them he chat them. Then go away.
And you say, if I know what I do, you say down, you see when I lick him back with the signal, he can't answer no, you can't stay there, you can't do anything, you know what you're doing.
And he tell Dan say if any day bust up people over there.
I don't check if I have any more requests.
Him make me and come in a problem, you know. Because I see him sitting there.
Oh man, Casey want come up. Hold on next Betty, come on.
Get me down.
And I see him sitting there when tell me make me and come in a problem, you know. Because when he go tell me that, you know, me go come out and make a video, you know. And come go say over a share and
yes, that day there. I him make you make video. Yes. Stacey, hold on 1 second. Yes, as him did tell you say somebody they are Florida. That's why you make the video. Yes. I'm coming a problem. Yes.
Somebody
Good evening. I just want to one something down and come down. You see me? Me a 34-year-old. I have everything to myself. Me build myself. Me not follow people. No, me a Leo like you, Dan. Me not follow people. Nobody can lead me. You see, if I see you going like you want boss me gone. So, if me, you see, if me not come over here, I not T. Me not T can't tell me something. Me just stop come over here. Alright? But through me hear my name, I say, me a one of them will stop come over here because me no want my name in a no mix up. And number 2, Cheese never come to Florida to me yet. And me go meet Cheese in North Carolina, we go Nicki Minaj show.
So mix up.
Stacey, we never know a him
Me just
tell
come
that.
out, me no want nobody for my name in a no mix up. Cause me's a business woman, me no want a TikTok mix up.
Yes.
So me no want nobody for my name. He can't tell me nothing to make me. Nobody can tell me nothing down. Me born August 18, is a lay. Nobody at all. And me tell you 2 times I go homeless in America and build myself with nobody, no man, nobody. So nobody can tell me nothing. You alright? Understand that?
Yeah,
So no ex my name out of the T situation. Me and T is not friend. And I don't want my name to be called with nobody when me and them are not no friend.
Straight up.
So no just leave my name. Carrie no put my name and I don't mix up me, I beg you.
No, never call any.
Alright.
Which Carrie?
Evening that. Not Red Boat Carrie. Carrie me attack.
No, man, they never put your friend.
Okay, so just leave my name out on the mix up.
Alright, let's ask this.
Evening Dan.
Come on, alright, yeah, check it out.
Yeah, man, me I say, I same thing, class, make me a come in.
Yes, because yes.
Come thing say, I did Shay and King me attack. And I never Shay and King me did attack. Because I post a video kind of morning him they call me and tell me. So I son now make go post a video and say, tell the people them say, them put out here, you get evicted.
Alright guys, bye. I'm going back.
And then coincidentally, for sure you see, for sure you're never strong, you know.
And a wicked.
Same day when me come out and say that in the morning, you know, King and Shay get put out in the day to blood clot, so I come like and them, mix up. So now me come, I call for my name, so now make me start carrying look feelings.
So you want true batty man.
That incident there. So you say
you call a people name, you fucking batty man, boy man, and come off a people name. You live for my name. Me carry your name to Dan. You just tell Dan what you say. And me never have to talk who tell me or who hear or whatever. Me don't need to call people name. I don't.
Tasha,
I don't.
But
fuck out of here.
It just.
That's deep though. That is he really said that. That's deep. That is
wicked.
That's wicked. That's a wickedness.
I tell life on people later.
Hello. Me just come to say something to TikTok liar. TikTok
You know why you don't know? Who this? Me don't know your girl. Me don't want to hear you say nothing to me.
Alright, my people, so we are going to watch a little bit more and then move on to the next. But let me tell you something, man. You see, anyway, a bunch of people there and a bag of chattings there mix up bone for happen and people bone for kick off. You see me I say? So, you see this thing you will go on, enough of them will eat, as me say, you see, me they talk about the group chat one at the time, and me I say, you know, say the people them in the group chat have a next group chat to them chat the people them in the group chat. So I see them with this, them have each other number, and when them come on live, yeah, them talk to everybody. But remember, me tell you when them jump off a live enough at the time, them have them little friend them with them chat the people them in the live with. You have to know say yo that have to go on big man thing. That have to go on too much people and too much mix up. So them are gonna have a different group for the people them way closer than everybody were in the chat. And then chat each other. Make me know one thing. They say me I say something must go on make this man I say them things about dance still. And boy, I don't know if you say just leave your comment people. I watch look a bit more.
I know what me got. I know what you.
Cause you know me I come tell you stinking all man. You feel blood clot, but running and that truck you mix up pussy wall you. You know me they come for condo cause you say we go buy a laptop and all type of something say you go what me go on. Why something in where they do? Some call center something and money something is a wicked auntie.
No, Auntie Dan, take me down there.
That's why you run gone so fast. I did a plan for you.
So you can't get over that now?
Me nah get over it. I'ma come near me. You feel very something.
Not for worry. You're cooking enough for you do that, but you can't get over it now. God, people don't know if you got things in, man. Good God. One labor right on the up and I'm a sister, dad.
Labor right. Hey, let me tell you something now. You see, truth I go always prevail over.
Yeah, true, man.
Over lie, the truth I go always prevail. You see how me just sit down, nah, say nothing, nah, do nothing, nah. You see the truth just come pop out back. And all like people them when they gone and say, you see, me not do nothing, when me say nothing. When they have people around me and say me and them cool, I just saw me stay. You have to juke out me eye for me sister. Somebody can tell me say yeah, juke out me eye. Me want to see for myself. And all when me see for myself, me say, let me see if him a go juke me in there again one more time. And then me strike. Me give you a rope for hang yourself. Me now go fuck up my friend first. And them have to fuck me up first.
Well, I will tell you. You see the lady come up and come diss me after she don't want done, man. I wonder she knows everybody eat meat. Some people are vegetarian. Me no vex with her, say she have a right.
Yes. Right. Yeah, tell me, it's like me, I say, when me, alright, you see me, my spirit,
Done, me
just jump and take you. So when the spirit take you, me I go just work. That's what I go.
I'm here. I don't come to stay long, and I really don't want to be involved in this shit, but I can say one thing. You know within yourself, 1T was the closest in the group. So if he was gonna be like, oh, I'm scared of Dawn and the Spanish Town mans and the this and the that, who would he have told? Who would he have told? Me, right? So if I'm not aware of this, I've never heard that, and everybody left on them own free will, then the information is far from true. And that's all I'm gonna say.
Man, you consider them batty man, you say you would never play a match with them, and then the man they fish up. But Jayden that actually speak things were gay-ish and do things were gay-ish, you don't consider him as batty man. It come like the more him say I'm gonna name batty, and the more I give him. I not tell nobody if I not give nobody. That's not my space. I will never tell nobody, not give nobody. But I'm saying that the same things that you attack another man for and you play with the people them is the same thing you support from Jayden. I see me run some type of joke and straight man dep on the live with him, and I give him same way. The more him run them the fishy joke there, I more me see him get lion. I so comes a God alone can come tell me say the whole over the live there no fish up. A God alone can come tell me say the whole over the live there no fish up. Cause once a man straight like arrow, a man now stay up on the live and listen to another man talk some blood clot fishy things. Once a man fish up, a straight man not even a stay up on another straight man live and shoot for a straight man if the straight man they play a batty man. Oh. Bad man Jayden for what? Bad man Jayden them for what? Bad man Jayden them for what? Me a bad man money. But me a bad man Jayden money for. Straight from my pitney life Jayden now make more than me. You see me on TikTok and a TikTok alone pay me. Not true me now come out come telling them my business. Please. I true me now come on the app come telling them my business. A TikTok alone a feed them. I'm glad for TikTok, but on a TikTok alone a feed me at the moment. At the moment. My side hustler give me more than the blood clot app. What? I can go up on my side hustler and make 10 grand immediately. I can go up on my side hustle right now and make 10 grand immediately, and then come back on TikTok and make a next 10 grand. This live has nothing to do about me but Jayden bad mind. In bad mind the little girl for true. And it sweet me how Rebel take the blood clot #1 spot. It sweet me. And tell him so him not really want sending people them over here for spam. Jayden, please. I will give TikTok 1 month. I will get the live out a 1 month break and I will study the app. But you don't really want Ivany to go there, so honestly, you probably have to go pay a man America for kill me. Because me make you have a bill page. Jayden, now make me go back to being most wanted. Me stay being Ivany. Or what them call me? What my nickname what them call me? Brenda. Let me stay enough being Brenda. Now make me have to go back go be Ivany most wanted. You no really no want tell me I have to go be most wanted. Cause me not gonna make a mistake come life if me take your page, you know, cause that we send me go prison, but me we just make you have to make you just have to make page. A make page. Can't keep a page. No make me have to take 1 month out of the app. Cause my April rent done pay for. No make me have to no come back live tonight and study app. Please don't make me have to do it. Please don't make me have to turn back Ivan.
Hey people, Tamale don't say it already, you know. Anyway, money and pleasure there. Remember me tell you there's bound to be a free. You see me I say? So more to tell more the thing about this situation where Ivany talk about the lion man. You see me I say? Yo, the youth they still, although him do a whole heap of effort, is a youth who like put in the work. Is not a person who will sit down and just accept what go on now. In plan for the future. Me not talk like plan for the future like financial wise or what. In plan like where I go want to do to go viral again. I just saw him stay. More know, see, if you don't think say he might go burn out. Because there's only so much you can do, you know, if you grab the people them attention, you know. Tell me if he might go burn out, and if he might go burn out soon, or he might go stay a while before he burn out. Put in the comments, my people. Make watch some more.
The most wanted. And when you send the people them over here for your comment bad mind, it now do nothing to me live. Please learn about TikTok. You spamming the live, it's not gonna do my live anything. It's not. The only thing I got at me is TikTok. I got to tell you, you can't comment. You comment more than one time. That's it. You reporting my live can't come down because TikTok I got to say me now do nothing. You can't report it for nudity because me not show nothing. You can't report it for bullying because me not say no words I'm not to say. So be wiser than that. But I just pray Fabi. I don't know you're young. I regularly me there with my man, them left them and go back to them. Nobody can tell me no go back to the boy. Just like how we not tell you can go back to the front the boy, but I hope at one point you can open your eyes and say you asleep with the devil. That's the only way I can say it to you honestly. Cause Jayden them are some boy where you're there with them bring you in the spotlight, but them feel like say you get a little bit too close to the line where them there. Them feel like them need for cancel you. It's like them the man there's like them there with you. Jayden, Mr. Jayden as a person where like Yanni might make money, but you're not supposed to make more than him. Him teach you a trade, but you're not supposed to master the trade more than him. Yanni got a party, him for buy the buckle and you drink after. You not for buy the buckle and him drink after. Yanni make money on TikTok. Him supposed to make a portion. You can probably the little under him, but not above him. As some see him. Him bring in the spotlight for get views. For him views for high, but you're one of the higher than him. The moment you start, the better than him is the moment you and him crash and you and him now go good. As some see Jayden. And I saw his father did stay, and that's why it could work. And that's why it could work. So the only thing I can say, Mama, you're young. You want to go back to your man 1,000 times, that's your problem. Because 1,000 times, you always run go back to mind him. But I hope one day, it will open your eyes, say, you're asleep with the blood clot devil. You're asleep with the devil when I want to see you prosper, because there is no blood clot way. We can't deal with a man, and a man can't come off and blood clot like one day for me get. I lick Jayden in fuck. We don't want to deal with some girl like me, man, some mad girl. That's why you're not bigger than with no time. So that me honestly, this is not a competition, but that's to show you that you don't own the ranking. You don't own it. You see, if you was a humble man, we just get your #1 spot them, and you're just humble. But that's okay. But you're acting like you're God. You know what upset me the most? You're acting like nobody can take the #1 from you. You and your look a frownsy team. Or not act like nobody can take the #1 from you. And you say today, the way you see you go on, and you take the #1 spot from your ex. I'm gonna say watch you now. Alright. And then when Mr. Rebel play, Mr. Rebel come take it from you. You know what I see over your life, I do? Beg. Yeah, beg. The king for the app should even say, come on, guys, beg you. You're not supposed to beg. What happened? What happened? You're not supposed to beg. You're supposed to sit down like the king and just a get lion.
Bro, I mean I say, yo, done now, bro. And them a come in my comments and I talk about them have a group of for come take it on Jayden. I'm still a tell them if it's done. Vany, you yourself can't pass me now. You can't pass me now. You can't pass me now. You know that too, you know. So I know why you come try shift the thing. Me go up on the ranking and I see you up there. Because you say you come up at Jamaica ranking. So I see you up there and I take you done. So why problem? Vany, you're small man, you're lily. Look why you think big in a foreign, bro. You're lily, bro. You're lily, dog. Why you not start a live and pass me? Why you not pass me? Why you not pass me? Why you lock off your ranking? Why you not pass me? You pass me now. Me start my life exactly for you. You exactly me start my life for. You. You me start my life for, you know. You're lily, bro. And you're all big. You're lily.
Fabi me no know. I think Fabi did the one I made it two or made it two. Me no know, but we did it on the podium. And Jayden come on, and the people them said Jayden say he ma come take 2 from me. Pause, cause me smarter than Uno. How the fuck you gonna take 2 from me? And the only way you can take 2 from me if me there 2 and you there 3. You're not gonna play no match none tall, you know. So if you really want to take 2 from me, you have to go stuck at 3. And for stuck at 3, it'll go hard because Fabi play for number 1. Me I play for number 2, so you are going to stuck at 3 and tell the people them say don't shoot, or you are going to turn off your ranking and don't get the gift them towards the ranking, and as soon as it a count down for the ranking finish 3 o'clock, I must say that the time they are going to step up now and try to take the number 2. When Mr. say the boy fly past me and fly past Fabi and they are number 1 and I play same way, I say yeah man, I see pray. I know me I want to cut a blood clot Fabisha. Tell all the girl. Till all the blood clot girls say she not play no match. She done, she not play no match. Mama black somehow no. Till all the girls say she done, she not play no match. Until me all I try for motivate her a little bit. That one time, I remember when me da come off the road and me did buy the food and she did up on the live and me and her talk about the match. I shoot her a message and I said, girl, come back live. Me will send you blood clot gift. Me will send you some lion for put you at the blood clot number 1. Jayden, you're going like you're a God. And a God make things work out now. Jayden, who is you? Jayden, who is you? You're not bigger than most of them blood clot. You're not bigger than Rebel, no time. You're not bigger than Perry, no time. You're not bigger than blood clot Tatania, no time. And whether you like it or not, if you want 5,000 people per your life every day or 6,000 people per your life every day, you're still not bigger than Ivan in a real blood clot life. You might bigger than if you can clap, look a couple views per your page at daytime, but in a reality check, and it no matter what we want big for, whether we want big for selling, we all, whether we want big for thief, whether we want big for scam, it no matter. You're not bigger than with no time. So that me honest, this is not a competition, but that's to show you that you don't own the ranking. You don't own it. You see, if you was a humble man, we just get your number 1 spot them and you're just humble, but that's okay. But you're acting like you're God. You know what upset me the most? You're acting like nobody can take the number 1 from you. You and your look a Fronzy team. Or not act like nobody can take the number 1 from you. I say today, the way I see you go on, I take the number 1 spot from your ex. I'ma say watch you now. Alright. And then when Mr. Rebel play, Mr. Rebel come take it from you. You know I see over your life, I do beg. Yeah, beg. The king for the up should the evil say, come on, guys, beg you. You're not supposed to beg. What happened? You're not supposed to beg. You're supposed to sit down like the king and just get lion and just rubbing over our life, I beg, you know.
Hey, another ranking war to blows. Boy, me I tell you. So me hear Ivany said the G if him did humble whatever. But Ivany no humble like that. Yes, so me I say Ivan is not a humble person. You know what I mean? So I don't know why I say the lion man for humble. And you know, say sometimes when you achieve certain things and you move a certain type of way, it's not like humble, people just view you differently and them scrutinize everything you do because you're in a certain position. May I tell you, if you never in a position, them not see you. You know what I say? So sometimes certain things come with the territory. You see me? So I don't want to think we watch some more.
Rebel over our life, sit down and just a play. Mama block you because you cannot stay up on my page and talk. I mean, and let's get this clear. Me see a lot of people that talk, but I true, me still could go #1, make me come talk. Bro, me tired to tell a man, me love money. The things that I say, y'all are not going to say it. The things that I do, you're not going to do it. Me done make almost 5,000 odd. Me just cash out 4 grand. Me good. Me bougie. Check how much that's in a Jamaica. Me bougie. Ranking is not my problem. What is my problem is money. So me can save it up. So if them say Tik Tok really a shut down April 5, me can pay a 5 month out of rent and my rent not cheap. And money are my problem. You see me go down on the Jamaican ranking, I want to make more than 5 bills and me alright. Money is my problem. Ranking is their problem. Them don't even worry about the blood clot money. Honestly. For sure them not no sense. Them don't even worry about money. A ranking them worry about #1. They don't even worry about the cash. Even though the cash make it reach #1. But them not really worry about the cash. They're worrying about just the #1 that's supposed to show on their profile. That's what they worried about. Me worry about money to pay my rent. And that me worry about. And the only reason why I came to talk is not because I did not get #1. That have nothing to do with me. It's the fact that me realize what you're doing towards that girl and you should stop. I mean, I give a fuck if Fabi one day back with you tomorrow, me a talk up. You have to stop. And nobody now, sister, you constantly a pick on the girl. I don't know if I true you not have her and you look a circle no more. I don't know if I true she kind of wise up and say fuck you. I don't know if I true you can't get her back like a leash, like how you used to pass her around. You could have this her and get her back. This her and get her back. Do this and get her back. You can't stay up on my page, you have to leave. You have to get black. I don't know if I true you probably want her back and the girl now meds you. So you feel like so you try to look at things then for try to act up the girl head. You need for blood clot stop. I'm not tell no lie, Jayden. If you never come with your bad bumbo clot vibes, the girl would have get the #1. You're too bad mind. A long time maybe you try to get #1. Long time. And you don't stop lick out the girl food out her mouth. You don't stop lick off the girl. Everybody want to feel #1. I don't feel how Jamaica #1 feel because I feel how US #1 be bigger than Jamaica. I know how US ranking feel. I know how ranking over favorite feel. I tell you that ranking is not my problem and money are my problem. Money are my problem. And if you never come with a negative vibes, the little girl would have get #1. And she would have get #1 fairly because you know what our team push her. I sit down and watch Fabi play matches before, but with my own eyes, I don't really sit down and watch her all the time, but I watch her in a couple matches when she go for the ranks. And today, they push her. Today, the people them push her. Today, the people them push her. And Fabi, as I say, I don't care if you want to go back to a boy, I'm proud that you not fuck today because you run off of the ranking too. And you not stand and argue with nobody boy for no #1. And I can proudly say, I'm proud of you for that. Because if you never come off it, you would have still upon life and the people them in the comment section would have go back and forth with you. And maybe you would have answered comments them. And through your answer comments now, maybe them would have screen record it and send it go give Jayden and him would have that now for say yeah fuck around him. That's why I'm take the #1 and him would have hype and brav. So I'm glad you come off. And you don't make the comment get best to you and you just left it as it is. You know what was the girl last word? When our time. She said when I'm my time. Nobody can take that from me. And she not rank. And she just done it this so and she gone. You never get what your blood clot want. Me I show you how the boy love manipulate now. I go over upon him live now. Hear him now? Hear him. Shame like dog. Shame him, shame like dog. Hear him over there. Bombard guys, a rebel shooter, them are coming up. Boy, this is a competition, guys. I someone like when competition at, you know. This is a competition, you know, guys. A war shooter, man. She have some big shooter. Suck your mother, Jayden. Suck your mother. Suck your mother with a straw. You don't have nothing else for blood clot, so you're shame. So you have to try turn the tables now for make yourself look blood clot good. Suck your mother. Couple hours before, you weren't saying those things. Couple hours before, you know where did I say? You did I say blood clot and me and one king of the upper, me I get number one, man. Them now get it. And you did a hype and you brag. But now that everybody take it away from you now, and you say you did a number two and it hard for you catch up, you start change your no more. And something like, you never know say so competition did for from the get-go when I used to hype. You never know say so competition supposed to go on from the get-go when you did a hype. Why I know you know see I saw it for go because them fling it on a blood clot number 2. And let me tell you something. As much as our rebel do not like mix up and rebel not like drama and I should not like her name in a passa because you make a blood clot number 1 and get take tonight. And it clear. And then I mix me I try mix her up, guys. Me and her sit down and talk and she not tell me she should go for number 1, but it clear. And because of you make them a take the blood.
People, let me tell you something, man. You see Rebel? Rebel drink water and mind our business, yeah? Rebel not in the foolishness on TikTok. Rebel not in the excitement and the cussing and all them something there. She not in it with people. I fear people them must see it and say, you know, I'm push her. And them push her. You understand? But Rebel not in no competition with them people, yeah. Rebel in one league of her own. The only thing Rebel concerned with is her career and Sicily. You see me? So let me know what you think. We soon end this and move on to the next.
Clot number 1 tonight. And because of you two make blood clot universe and thing a flash over there. Because the people them know why you get the number 1. Because you look a bit of your bad mind. If I did blood clot hobby still upon the blood clot board. You know much people that go over there go support and me have couple lion for blood clots in her. That's why I ask her today. I say, Fabi, you ever get number 1? You think me just ask her for just ask her so? I ask her for a reason. I ask her today with a blood clot big steering here. Fabi ever get number 1? And she said no. I said, girl, tell me the truth. You ever get number 1? Where you think me this student a question her for? And when she said no, she never get it. I go come send her some blood clot line and you come take it over from the girl and you make the girl gone and see how karma work. Somebody come. I say, I pray Rebel don't sleep tonight. I pray Rebel don't sleep tonight. I pray Rebel stay up and take it. Or put it on one lead where you can't reach it. And if she got her bed and she not take it and she don't want to take it. What do you mean Nicki Minaj up on live? I'ma tell Nicki Minaj say, don't talk to them people because them not stop call up my pitney name. And then me turn on to her and say, Nicki Minaj, me turn to her and say, me not go tell no lie, me use this people for them pitney, you know. But the person who had trouble me specifically, I never trouble them pitney. You know, when Nicki Minaj turned to me and said, that is what you call karma. Karma doesn't have to come from the same person where you do something. God can use another man for do the same thing where you did to another person. That is what you call karma. Karma not to come from the exact person. So Jayden, are your blood clot karma that you
what? What me if you tell you no say no blinga?
You get video for you about stuff?
Which video?
Me no know. You get any new video about anything cause me can't talk about something me not see.
A picture they send I will put you out already. So the people them pick out what they want to pick out.
And the picture who?
The picture?
Who is in the picture?
I'll let you know.
They must say a conversation with Jayden and the doctor man, but we just Jayden pan a phone call and Jayden clear up things.
Okay, so everything done then?
Yeah, I guess. Jayden say anything we get we put it out there and make the people them pick sense out of nonsense. So that me I do.
Alright then. So so with the people, everybody power tap. So Mountain with the DNA result, how that a go?
DNA result?
Yeah, the gentleman say him now put out the results.
So now Indy come out and say I'm gonna do the result and put it out, make us see yesterday or Sunday. So you not put it out yet to pass the verdict.
Him said now put it out, and then we just come off alive with the other father ordained. Him a say him can't talk certain things because this gone in the hands of the legal people.
Oh, and I gone a family court.
So what I want to ask you, you as a man, let me ask you one question. Everybody power tap the screen. I quick catch a speed here.
Yeah, come in.
Come in chat. Everybody power tap. Where catch a speed, then me ask him something as a man. Because I want to know.
You see it? We just see people I'm telling you, Jayden just come telling us sorry for Fabi. One video out there them saying video Fabi panty and put it out. 4 hours my side come in.
4 hours is chat.
Fabi panty and put it out. Him come and say him send it to 2 persons who him trust and him sorry for doing it.
Oh, that's good. Him apologize.
Yeah, but people are saying it's sincere. We think it's sincere, but people are saying
I can't do this. So, what's with a panty? What is a panty?
no, it must be dirty and
Jesus Christ. Power chat. Push up his
I'm inside, you catch the speed now. 4 persons send a rose. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1 more rose, 1 person. Thank you. Thanks everybody who sent a rose. You can use the speed now in the speed start. Thanks everybody.
Everybody speed. We need some galaxy.
You send the panty to somebody, 2 persons who him trust, and like them start circulate the panty.
Thank you, no one's full. Everybody.
They already rang for video it and send it to Smart. That's that woman. They should have never done that in the first place. Come inside, use the triple, please.
Yes, Sparkle, no one's full. Thank you so much.
Let's use the triple.
Triple chat. Everybody, people with no galaxy, no whale, no tiger, no shark.
Come in, people.
That's crazy.
People.
No one's full. Big up yourself.
Help people, please. Help Salon.
Sparkle, big up.
Help all the people. Thanks for doing it, them. Jesus. We that got done. But yeah, come and apologize to Fabi, you know. Thank you.
Thank you, Don. So.
Thank you, SKK. Salon, thanks, yeah.
So let me ask you something. That's not nice what Jayden did. What was the reason for that though? Take a picture of your woman dirty panty and send it to somebody?
Yeah, but tell him so that now. Start them styling already yet.
Exactly. And then the woman will receive that picture then now.
Hold
on. The woman send it round?
Yeah, she have it. That's why whenever they believe until she start talk, because at first he might deny it, you know, and she start talk with the end of the video and I say him come and say, alright then, yeah, but he sent to 2 persons which I trust.
Alright, who him send it to? You can you name them?
No, I don't know who him send it to. The comments them there say, Tik Tok liar and me.
Some people more ask on this. When you feel like say Moon a cover for the Lion Man, you feel same dip on the Lion Man payroll. Tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me? Because people been said there is more videos with the Lion Man or something, and him said him did have video and then him said him not have it. I troll him did a troll, right? And a lot of things him back the Lion Man certain way, like him talk against certain things. You see me? Big up the Lion Man and them with it. So here want to know. Let me know in the comment section. We'll watch some more and then move on to the next.
That the comments them they say, me no know, because them ask him who send, but him still not answer who him send it to. But the comments them say that though.
Me bumbo clot. So you want to tell me say them 2 big woman them. The 2 big woman them will feed them jaw scratches dirty too. Feed them jaw scratches dirty too. Them 2 big woman there where them send it to. I don't know who them is. But me know say for them jaw scratches dirty too.
Them say not me triple. I wouldn't sashi triple nah do that. I must stick that. Oh.
But me not understand because me want a girl.
Sunny. Yeah.
Let me say something to you. Mountain. Mountain, you see females. We do something on one time called
female
menstruation.
Yes.
You see sometime Mountain before it a come it will give you a sign. So it was
to Shay, that's what Shay said. Oh.
What happened?
Them said TikTok lawyer sent to Shay, that's what Shay said. But TikTok lawyer and Shay are a friend. Someone knows TikTok lawyer sent to Shay.
Somebody said when she did have the miscarriage. I want them people. I want me to hear.
Oh yes, and that then they asked for two.
Hold on, so Goody was pregnant?
Yeah, them saying she have miscarriage in video, dirty panty and send it out.
No one's fool. MVP, Don, everybody, big up on yourself. Fierce Sparkle, chat, me a talk. So big up everybody we are shoot. Everybody put the score. We are trying to
shoot. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let me see how much I want in this ranking here.
Thank you. Salan, thanks. It's
chat, we need 11.7k. Oh, this a lead.
Forever. Thank you.
No, we need 255. Jesus God. Chat, I can see if we can get this.
I should try and catch the speed again side and use the triple or the double this time. But yeah, I tell him say as a man to Jayden and I talk to him, tell him say that we do go wrong and see me and I fuck with that. And him apologize to you.
Alright. So the two little dirty nasty people them when send it to, why would they be sending around that and them a woman and me sure no say them your old girl ya for them scratches are the dirtiest scratches ever. For them little pussy are the tinkiness and the dirtiest ever. So me not understand who would I want me don't really like to know who that two woman them where him send it to. Yes, no, this is them can't trust people. They don't mean him any good.
Yes.
Mountain, how am I gonna send you something and I say I trust you and you take it and I send it wrong?
Still, in the first place, wrong Jayden for video woman panty, dirty panty and send it around. Now what happened with kids? Me and I ever do that. That not ready yet.
Chat, wanna push up the score. Everybody tap up the screen. Wanna work on the fingers, chat. Come can't bother with talking.
Come on, 4 hours somebody. 4 hours everybody.
4 hours this.
Them styling already yet, you see me? 4 hours chat. 4 hours. 3 more hours chat. Wait there, Salan. Alright, when you get the speed, they can use it. Yeah, them styling already. We'll tell him. You apologize. Some people are saying sincere. Exactly, he's wrong in the first place. Yeah, in the first place, he's wrong for video. For now, I'm take that away. So hold him accountable for saying in video and send it out in the first place. You see me?
I don't know why Jayden do some things sometimes. Like
say in justify it. Come in my side, use the triple.
Triple chat, come people. No one
justify it by saying them expose him, so you never know who it was.
Thank you.
And just send out everybody something. That's how it is.
The next woman when with Jayden need to be careful of Jayden a video cause when them inbox him I go send out it.
Oh, I'm saying never video. No, I'm saying video. Why? I'm saying never.
Thank you. No one's fool. Thank you.
Understand? Say Jayden was in a home and traumatized. Why? Come in my side. Use a triple done.
Jesus Christ, God. Anyway, so what me did I go ask you something about the DNA? What me did I go ask you, sir? That's what me da go ask him as a man. Me da go ask him something.
If it was me, if me don't take the pitney, all if I don't mind.
No, not that. Alright. Let's say you did goody. Just saying. Don't you would want to know if it's your child? Whether you want mine it yes or no, you still don't really want to know if I feel, right?
100%.
Alright. No.
Come here, Messiah, come in that one, yeah.
Me just tired. Mountain. I just tired. It's too much series. I don't know where to start. I don't even know if I have to start. I don't know what to do.
So red ants, I take the pitney and mine the pitney or the man give the pitney to
alright. Red ants just I use the pitney for your pan at this point.
So take that money.
Yes, cause red ants no say no film pitney. Me know red ants family and none of them no black. And we not go off a color because we know say anything can happen. Because me can't deal with somebody brown and the baby come black and somebody white and the baby come black still. But in this situation, it's not red and pitney. Now when I want to ask you, if I did feel pitney with the carelessness we're going on the media, don't you that come out long time, come show the proof, say I feel. Yes, I'm my pitney.
Yes.
And because I know you're a pitney, that's why you sit down and come talk about, oh, you're not show anything. Because you know, say no feel.
Yes.
Because you're glad to come shut up the media and say, see, then I'll pussy, I'm my pitney, so no suck no matter, I'm my pitney. Him don't do that.
100%.
The man is so wicked to the little baby where the mother of the child can't even see that. Because come like she afraid of him. The man shave off the whole of the pitney head, name the baby Wilbert, and what else is he going to do? He's going to hurt that child.
The baby Wilbert, God though. You know, said the baby name Wilbert for 222. No sure I just prank them from the internet.
Him chat on tell him. No one's full. Big up your body. Thanks for your support.
Baby name Wilbert for 2. Thanks everybody.
Sparkle, blingers, Natty,
thanks, muffle.
when they done, thank you.
Lada, pretty Nikki, thanks. Everybody thanks.
Me tired of them.
Go to baby.
Make we play one more.
I go with me, I come go right now.
Alright, later. Big up yourself.
But they share the life to the group and
yes, and they was disgusted.
Not that funny. Bella go retirement home. Bella when
them say me all I mean know me age paper and me always check up for people who me like. I mean not give people who me like the wrong. I mean that me age paper me need to go find me age paper as usual. But don't forget, dirty girl, that I graduated 1993 from high school and you was leaving college. So maybe I did what we find out age paper at this point.
They have 2.
Oh yes, I forgot. And I forgot that she attended college at age 5 because 32 years ago she attended college and she's still 35 years old.
Chat, I'm gonna beg gonna send me some an arts or whatever I can afford.
People, we can't believe. As me I say, me never look for Bella and Bling link up still. I mean I know how long them start deal back. But here we go on people. Jano, all people are cause all people say them all. Being old is a blessing. You see me I say so me don't know why them no want accept say them all. Right? Cause Bella still, me not lie, still, I see 2 pictures, I see picture with Tik Tok, I see picture with Bella, and me not lie, Bella look older than Tik Tok, big one thing, me not pick no side, but I want me see, you see me, but me no want to think me people, cause Bella say she's like, you know what I mean, certain age where me not lie, she look older than what she says she is, but you have some people who look old still, you know, with them not really old, that old, you know, you see me, but me don't want to think with people. I watch some more.
Please, I work, and please to tap my screen, everybody.
Come on, guys.
We talk to you soon, alright?
Take care, Mr. Turnstile.
Alright, Turnstile.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Come on, guys. Intermission. Send gift. Honestly, I listen to the people in business and they will go back and tell me what we said tomorrow.
No, them don't have to go back and tell them. They're under the live.
Oh yes, of course.
They're here. They they can't do without me. They have the fake page that they used to. I watch them.
But you don't need to. You are the watch-e. You forgot?
Not a watcher.
You're not a watcher.
Me don't know. Oh,
you are the one.
Hey, seriously, this is terrible. Like super terrible.
Mrs. Me just whenever me hear blinga, me block it out. But just know that your name call about 12 times. Don't think
I'm their best topic. What are you talking about?
That. So there's no need for me to tell you your part because you already know. You started the show a lot of times.
Well, me are the star. Remember, say if me dead, them dead. There's no them without me. Them can't come on live and not call me name no time.
It's all up in your business.
Me not no business, Bella. Me just live and take care of my kids. Them.
Yeah, them. But they pretend like they don't know that.
I don't do anything. Remember, the last place I went was Jamaica, and I only went to Jamaica to do my photo shoot. That's all, and I come back.
But Miss Blinga, one thing though, you know, sir, you have to give them credit, Miss Blinga, where credit due. They haven't said one thing about your body. As a matter of fact, they don't even mention your body.
People say they talk about it in the group.
I never heard that part. I'm not saying I never heard it.
That's water. So apparently Betty over one live a confess that she in a wheelchair for true. Turnstile, you never tell a lie.
Yeah, but they were talking about Betty in the group.
People who's talking, wait. People who's talking about, wait, who said me want some clothes? Make me say that already, then can't fit me.
Who say you want clothes?
So people
who said that?
I don't know, me think my ears about want some clothes.
No, sir.
Alright, let me ask you, Alena, twist it here. In two or so. Let me ask you something. People, somebody just said something about wheelchairs. So somebody that is in a wheelchair talking about people too?
Yes. So them over there I confess now. So she in a wheelchair for true.
Proud handicap here. Let me go on.
Oh, she's a proud handicap.
Somebody in a wheelchair, a class all a week.
Yes.
God Almighty.
A proud handicap no. Well, I never go here.
Well, on them. One I said to me.
Yes, my dear child. Word on the street that is most of the women over there are disabled. I saw me here. Me don't know. Me don't know them from nowhere. I saw me here.
Well, and what is me get your son?
But it makes sense.
What do you mean?